Well, we talked in the previous session about the lifestyle, but then there is also, I want to say, the hardcore accessories, the bull bars, the winches, the tow bars, obviously suspensions, but all of them, it's like a puzzle, Theuns. The one needs the other to fulfill your 4x4 adventures.
Absolutely, Francois. Yes, of course you can buy them all separately. You don't have to do it at once. It's quite an expensive exercise if you do. But if you just use your brain a little bit and work out exactly what you need first and when, you can do it on a budget purpose basis, basically. So yes, Francois, yeah, let's start with the bull bars. There's a wide variety of bull bars available. You get the bull bars with the loops, you get the ones without the loops. So there's a selection at least for you. They got the ones with stainless steel loops. But that's one of the names, the loops that we're talking about. Let's forget about the loop. That's all the stuff that goes on top of the bull bar. The bull bar itself has a few very nice features. The one has the spotlights in it and the flicker lights, of course. And that one is called the Commercial Deluxe. That's the nicest one that Ironman offers. But it doesn't take away any of the quality and the durability of the product.
Yeah.
All the bull bars are made to already pre-made to fit bull bars, winches, of course. And the winches that's available is the 9600 and then the 12,000 monster winch that's available. Both these can fit in the bull bar, and you get the cable, the steel cable, and of course the synthetic rope ones. And this weekend at the Fastbait we tested the winch quite extensively, and the product is just wonderful. It works. The people were just flabbergasted by the strength and the durability of the product, and of course the synthetic rope. It just goes to show that they really thought about how to use and where to use the product, and they tested it extensively. So we know that the product is really strong and durable.
I think a question many of our viewers and listeners always want to know, steel is obviously stronger as rope, especially synthetic rope, but obviously it's vice versa, Theuns.
Yes, there's a few things that you must keep in mind. Of course, here at the coast it always makes sense to use the synthetic rope because of the rust. But do not take away the quality of the steel. I mean, the steel has its purpose. It's very strong. There's a few pros and cons about the steel and the synthetic. I mean, the synthetic, if it breaks, it doesn't snap back. Where the steel is tended to do that, and that's one of the things that the user of the product must know up front. You know, you shouldn't pull or snatch a vehicle. But with the synthetic rope, of course, that changes totally, and you can actually start using your snatch block to pull out vehicles and put a little bit more strain on it. And as I said, the ropes, I mean, the rope can take up to 17,000 kilograms. So strong it is, you know, and it's really a durable product. I mean, even if it snaps, if it breaks, you can just tie a knot and you can still utilize it. Where if the cable breaks, you've got a few other problems. But let's not take away the quality of the cable. I mean, the cable works, and there's just a few things, of course, to take in mind when you use it. We've got the gloves that comes also with our kits, and we recommend that you use the gloves in cases like that. And of course the snatch or the
blanket,
the back, that's right, the winch blanket, especially on the cable, because of that fact that it can snap at any time. But for what I've seen up till now, it's not a normal thing that happens. I mean, only if the cable is damaged over time and it's rusted and it's bent and things like that, then those kind of things can happen. So people must just take care of that. Use your product in the right way. Ensure that it's properly cleaned from time to time. You can even put a little bit of grease on the cables, although it tends to pick up a lot of dust then. But I mean, then it doesn't rust so quickly and damage so quickly.